looking at Super Nintendo World, there's a lot of stuff happening here. You got some new mountain ranges right over there forming, which is amazing. And you got like some like maybe Yoshi Mountain right there. And there's some more of the mountain ranges right there. Yeah, right there. On the being formed, which is awesome. God, I wish you can get a better view of this. But yeah, this is it. Super Nintendo World looking absolutely fantastic right now. And yeah, looks wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. And there's some Jurassic World bins right there.